Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Balbim P. Sangli, Assistant Professor of English, Sri Sivalingeswara Government Degree College, Madanipraga, District Kalaburgi. Today, I am going to take class for BSc third semester. Now, I would like to teach you about origin and development of prose in English literature. Before going to know this one, first of all, we try to understand who was the father of or was called as a father of English prose section. When we study literature, we come to know that William Tyndale was born in Catholic England around 1494. During his birth, England and many parts of Europe were passing through political as well as religious unrest. Tyndale was highly influenced both by Martin Luther and the Reformation movement. So he was called as a father of English prose. Next come to the introduction of this prose section. What is meant by prose? Prose is a verbal or written language that follows the natural flow of speech. It is the most common form of writing used in both fiction and non-fiction. The word prose comes from the Latin word prosa oratio, meaning straightforward. What is the definition of prose? Prose is a form of language that has no formal metrical structure. And when we look at etymology, the word prose first appears in English in the 14th century. It is derived from the Old French prose, which in turn originates in the Latin expression prosa oratio, literally straightforward or direct speech. And again, we come to know about the history of prose in a brief way. Indo-Anglian literature was happened in the period of 18th to 19th century, that is 18th century to 1970, is broadly speaking a development from poetry or prose. Raja Mohan Roy is regarded as a great Indian master of English prose. His English works are mostly journalistic essays which appeared in his own weekly papers. Tagore's prose in English reveals him to be an internationalist and a humanist, preaching the gospel of harmony between man and man, man and nature, man and God. Though his thoughts derived from the Upanishads, Buddhism, Vaishnavism, there is a ring of personal conviction in his words. So, like this, we see in the Indian English prose section. There are many more writers in Indian English literature, particularly about they began to write prose section. So, first of all, when we look at Mahatma Gandhi, who lived in the year of 1869 to 1948, he had written the most important autobiography, that is, My Experiment with the Truth is an Autobiography. His other autobiographies included Satyagraha in South Africa, about his struggle there. Hind Swaraja or Indian Home Rule is a political pamphlet and a paraphrase in Gujarati of John Ruskin's up to this last. He also wrote extensively on vegetarianism, diet and health, religion, social reforms, etc. Gandhi usually wrote in Gujarati, though he also revised the Hindi and English translation of his books. Gandhi's complete works were published by the Indian government under the name The Collected Works of Mahatma Gandhi in the 1960. The writing comprised about 50,000 pages published in about 100 volumes. So, so this is a brief description about Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was not only a political leader but also very good fiction writer, that is prose writer in Indian English literature. Next comes to Jawaharlal Nehru, who lived in the year of 1889 to 1964. Jawaharlal Nehru was a prolific writer in English and wrote a number of books. The history of Nehru's writing and speeches merged with his life and likewise merges with the life of the nation. His works, Glimpses of World History and the Discovery of India, which was published in the year of 1934, deals with the history of mankind. Toward Freedom, 1936, is his autobiography. He had written 30 letters to his daughter Indira Gandhi when she was 10 years old and in a boarding school in Mussoorie, teaching about natural history and the story of civilizations. The collection of these letters was later published as a book, Letters from a Father to His Daughter, in the year of 1929. So like this, we can see a brief history of Jawaharlal Nehru and the most important works which were written by him. Now again, we try to understand about one of the most important literary forms in English literature, that is short story. So what is meant by short story? Short story is a brief fictional prose narrative that is shorter than a novel and that usually deals with only few characters. The short story is usually concerned with a single effect conveyed in only one or few significant episodes or scenes. The main purpose of short story is to describe the meaningful towards why the readers imagining the situation based on the preferences, where someone imagine this is true based on their imagination of the particular word meaning. So this is a brief description about short story. So when we look at towards major Indian English short story writers like Rabindranath Tagore, Mulk Raj Anand, Raja Rao, R.K. Narayana, Jhumpa Lahiri, Anita Desai, Bhavani Bhattacharya, Manohar Malgonkar. Let me to explain once again the major Indian English short story writers. Rabindranath Tagore, Mulk Raj Anand, Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan, Jhumpa Lahiri, Anita Desai, Bhavani Bhattacharya, Manohar Malgonkar. So now there are some questions I am going to ask you, and also I try to give the answers to the related to the questions. Number one, who is the father of English prose? There are four options in which you have to find out only one suitable answer. William Tyndall, Martin Luther, William Shakespeare, John Milton. The answer is William Tyndall. Next question. Who is known as the father of Indian English prose writing? So there are four options here. Mahatma Gandhi, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Jawaharlal Nehru, Raja Rao. The answer is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question number 3. My Experiment with the Truth is written by Raja Rao, Mulk Raj Anand, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. The next question, fourth one, who authored the discovery of India? There are four options. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, R.K. Narayan, Kiran Desai. The answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. So, like this, whenever you are studying or doing work, you have to take the references, the help of some references. So now I have explained about origin and development of short story and prose section, and also the major short story writers in Indian English literature. So for this, if you want to get more ideas, you can get some references, books, English Literature by William J. Long, Literary Spectrum by Professor Ramesh Rathod and Professor M.G. Patil, and some of the ideas from Google Internet section. Thank you. Thank you very much.